Hey guys, Max's Musings is back. So I just decided to clean my parents' iPads because, why not? And I love cleaning stuff, so I decided to get the cleaning of this one on camera. I'm not actually going to show you me cleaning them, but I am going to show you some of the other stuff. Like just the progression. I don't know how good my phone is going to pick it up, but I guess we'll see. So first of all, you can see that the Apple logo, it's got some fingerprints and stuff. I'm trying to get that, but it's not working too well. But you can kind of see it. In terms of the actual screen, you can see me. In terms of the actual screen, you got some fingerprints. You got a lot of hair in there because of my dogs. So that's obviously not good. We don't want that. The entire thing is just disgusting. So I am going to obviously try to fix it, that sort of thing. So I will come back when I have. Well, first of all, I'm going to take off the little thing here, so I'll just make a little cut there. Alright, so that was extraordinarily painful to get that stupid case off. I am doing this for an otter box, mind you, so that this won't apply to everyone's cases. This only applies to OtterBox cases, and so for the OtterBox, they have this little screen protector thingy, and yes, this, as you can tell by the lighting, this is actually, there's a piece of plastic here. See? Anybody who's had an OtterBox is familiar with that. Also, you have the little back piece. Those are hard plastic, and then this is just rubber. This is what actually goes around your iPad / phone / whatever. My phone that I'm recording this on actually does have an OtterBox just like that. So what I'm first going to do is I'm going to scrub up these two pieces with soap and water, dry them off, get them to look really good. And then, so that's the first step. Then the second step, I'm gonna scrub up that guy, make him look nice. And then the last step is, I'm not gonna scrub this guy, obviously, but I am going to use an alcohol wipe and wipe down his screen and back here. You can even see like a little piece of hair right there. So that's gross. So we're gonna fix all that. So I'll be back as soon as I get those two done. So. Alright, so I finished cleaning these two, and they are looking pretty good, except for this stupid hair. Let me just get that. Can't. I think it's gone. Anyway, as you can see, I washed them up with soap and water. I got rid of all of those stupid fingerprint marks, and it's just looking a lot better. Obviously, if I tilt it in the light and get the glare, you can see some of the scratches and stuff, but generally, it's actually looking fairly better. Especially when there's no, but of course the scratches up here, I can't really fix that, so. As for this one, I did scrub it up, and it does look a bit more shiny, so. Not to mention I'll be able to see the good old Apple logo a lot better because I did scrub that up particularly well. Didn't scrub up the back though, so I might actually go ahead and do that just to make it look a little bit nicer. So next, I'm actually going to look at this guy. What I'm going to do is I'm going to scrub him up, make him all nice and clean, get rid of all the hair, all out of the crap. And then, he'll be good to go. And then lastly, I'm going to scrub up the iPad, which I actually will show you because you have to do it in a specific way. So I will show you that part. So let me just scrub up the back piece of this guy and then this guy. So, alright, so I finished washing up this guy's back and then this guy. This guy I'm especially impressed with, but I'll show you this one first. So, basically what I did is I just washed him up. And he's looking pretty good. Except for back here, I don't even know what happened. But all around, he's looking okay. not as good as I had hoped, but especially back here, he's looking really nice. And that's really the part that matters, because you don't want to be it dirty around the iPad or have stuff stuck in the screen. If it's stuck outside of the screen, you can get it off. If it's stuck in the screen, you can't. So that's your goal. You just don't want to have anything at all on the iPad. So now for the last, and then obviously for this, it's so clear you can just see straight through it, and there's nothing blocking it. Like, there's my TV. I know that TV's ancient. I have another one. It's right over there. I think I showed that off in my FC Twin video. I don't even know. So they're all really nice and clean. Everything's great. So now the last thing that I need to do is with that iPad. So I'll be just showing you how to do that. Alright, so what I'm going to use to clean the iPad is actually just some lens wipes for your glasses from Walgreens. You can use an oh my god. You can use alcohol wipes. I'm just going to use these because they tend to work just as well and are generally less of a risk because they are only a little bit wet. Not to mention I can use it as a double whammy to clean my glasses. So, you know, it's like a twofer. So let me just get all of this stuff just out of the way. And let's get the iPad itself. So as you can see, it does have some stuff on it. Not too much. This iPad is actually in pretty good shape. Alright, and now we got our little lens cleaner. Just expand it a little bit and begin to wipe your iPad. And I will do this vigorously, but I just wanted to show you what you needed to use. So I'll be back in a sec. Right, so I got the iPad scrubbed up here with just the lens wipe. I also cleaned my glasses, but so now we're actually ready to put the thing back together. So here's how you do it. So first of all, you need to get this where it says Otter box at the bottom. So just put that there. Then you take your iPad. Let me just try to get it here. Okay. So like that. And when you put it in, you're good. And what you want to do is you want to turn it around and make sure that you can see the Apple logo. That means that your glass is clear, which we already checked, but I just wanted to double check. Next, clean off any residual gunk that's on the iPad. You already did clean it off, but some stuff could have flown on it. And so I'm just gonna get what I see here, and we're good. So next, you want to take this piece here, which should be all fresh and clean. You should be able to see it just fine, see through it just fine, and you're good to go. And then lastly, you want to take this part. So basically what you got to do here is you got to snap each of these things back into place. When you first buy the case, there's a little instruction manual that shows you how to do it, but you probably lost it like me. So snap every single one of these stupid things in place until you hear a click. And then once you hear a little click from every single one of them, then you're good. Now you can clean off this screen here. And there should never be anything in your thing here again. It should never be inside because you already cleaned out the inside. And it should be just completely clean in there. And then lastly, you put it right in here. Which is going to be difficult to do one-handed. So I will be right back. Alright, so now we got our good old iPad back together. Just like it was at the start of the video. And if we compare, like, it is just night and day. Like, I am not even joking. So, first of all, you know, that's not so good. So we do have a lot of crap on the iPad itself, like I said, and like I showed you. So unfortunately, that won't go away. You just can't get rid of it if it's like scratches and stuff. But as long as you don't get a glare in your iPad, then it will look fine, like this. And it will look good. So have good lighting, I guess. But yeah, it's looking a lot better. If we turn it to the back here, You can see that the Apple logo, you're able to see it very clearly. It's very clearly defined. Generally, I think I did okay. There was some stuff I could have done more, try to get more gunk out of it, whatever. But in terms of what I was trying to accomplish, I think I did an okay job. Thank you for watching. I may do more cleaning videos if you guys want me to. I don't really have anything else to clean except for my phone. So if you want me to show you that. The phone is exactly the same as the iPad. It's just that it's smaller, so it's actually easier to clean. It's really the only difference. So I will see you guys later. Max's Musings out.